What's up, team Fullest? This is a girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I was about to clean the bathroom, and I thought before cleaning the bathroom, let me just sit down and remove this hair on my leg. So I really do not remove the hair on my leg often. I do this once a year because my leg hair doesn't really grow that much and I don't shave. And I've been noticing because I don't shave, my hair doesn't grow a lot compared to a friend of mine that do shave the leg and the hair grows rapidly and it grows even more bigger, more thicker, more stronger. So maybe I don't know because I don't shave, so the hair doesn't really grow. I just do hair removing. I don't go to the beauty spa to do like the wask. If I'm pronouncing the name incorrectly, please excuse moi. But I do use this brown epilator machine and I really loved it. I have been using this now for a very long time. Almost all the hair on my body, not all the hair, but the parts that need to be removed, I like to just use a Epilator machine to just remove the hair. It's more easy and the hair doesn't really grow that faster, and when the hair grows it's more softer, it grows more slower. So on my leg I do shave once in a year, and that is in the summertime when maybe I'm exposing my leg outside and I feel like it is necessary to kind of remove the hair. So I thought since I was about to clean the bathroom, let me just sit down and remove the hair so that when I'm done, I will just scrub the bathroom, take shower, at least clean all the hair on the floor. Easy way to do it. So that is what I'm doing. I just like to go up and down because my hair grows on my leg. My hair grows from different directions. You have the hair that will grow from up going down. You have the one that will grow from up going down. You have the one that will grow from the side going down. It grows in different direction. So that is also one thing when it comes to shaving. If you are shaving your leg hair, you have to know you have to watch for stuff like that, like the directions your hair grows, and make sure you shave it to that direction to also prevent ingrown hair, to prevent bumps or cutting of the skin if you're using a shaving stick, and all make sure you exfoliate. So what I like to do before ever I shave or remove hair, whatever I like to do when it's time for hair removing, I like to make sure I exfoliate that particular skin at least 2 or 3 days before ever removing the hair, before ever going in with the epilator machine. I like to do that and exfoliate it. I like to use baking soda with honey. Sometimes I just use baking soda. Sometimes I use baking soda mixed with honey. And then when I'm done with the epilatory, I like to go in on the skin with aloe vera gel. I purchased this aloe vera gel that I purchased from the Action. If you live in the Netherlands, it's 99% aloe vera, 99% aloe vera, and I just, well, after I'm done shaving, take shower, I just like to rub that on my skin, and it really helps. And on my leg, I don't really I haven't really have issues because yeah, I remove my hair once a year, and I do this. Sometimes I like to take the cap off because sometimes the cap can prevent the mini hair from removing. So sometimes I just like to take the cap off and just use the epilator itself and just remove the hair. I just do this just over and over, and just look around if there are any shorter hair that needs to be removed, and I just do that. And also what I do after I am done removing the hair, I like to change the head of the epilate machine, and I will put the brush one and I will go in and just scrub my leg, like you know how you do like a dry scrub. Most people don't understand, like why would you do a dry scrub? Google it on the internet. I have been doing this now for a very long time on my leg, and I really like the way my legs look. So I also like to remove the hair on my knees and just remove everything. Make sure my entire leg is hair free and all the way up to my knee. I like to just remove every hair and make sure everything is done. And then after that, I just change the head. One thing I love about this brown Epilator machine, I have like different head. You can just pop the head out, and it's also waterproof. You can actually do this underneath the shower. It's really nice. I purchased this several years ago. It was a little bit expensive. Of course, it is still a little bit expensive, like maybe 170 euros for the entire package. But I've been using it now for years, and I really loved it. And I just like this dry exfoliating, just no product, just take the brush and just go in on my skin, and I just love doing it, and I love the way my skin feel. So I just want to come and share with you guys this quick video. Hope you all like it. If you all do, please let me know in the comment box. I don't do a lot to my skin because I do have a sensitive skin, so I try to keep it as simple as possible. Like, comments, and I'll see you all in my next video. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye.